I turned down, I turned off, I peeled off all the stuff off the face. It's a lot better now.
Find you working tonight.
Plug in the microphone. Arcade.
For the whole day of the year. So whenever they schedule Saturdays, I don't have to work them. Roger.
Nice one, man.
Well, what the heck's on with the 50,000 questions, man? Why ain't you working tonight? Come on, 990.
Fuck you.
That's right. Why ain't you working 990?
Dude, I do work every fucking weekend. Can't I have a weekend off to sleep?
No, sir. You done slept all fucking weekend, dude. What more do you want? Come on, wake up. We got jobs to do.
Crazy job.
Alright, buddy. We can switch jobs any day, anytime, Come on over, man. I got plenty for you to do. You can go ahead and keep your job and come on over in your spare time on the weekends when you're sleeping. Come on.
Oh, man. It's funny.
Damn, man.
Hey, 990, won't you just come over when you're trying to sleep, man? Come on over and get some work done. Come on. Beep, beep.
Are you going to hook you up with some of them girls? Shut up.
Yeah, man, we gotta get with all the gerbils you need, man. Declawed and dethawed with a free bottle of lube. You know, it's Saturday night. Down here at the lowest truck stop, we got them down here at the, I think it's the exit 173 off of 70. Declawed and dethawed with a free bottle of lube.
That's fucking number 7 job.
Or whatever it is, man, they're declawed and dethawed with a free bottle of lube, so whoever wants them gets them. Come on. That's right, man. You got to be straight up with them, man. I mean, if you hang out long enough, you might even be able to get in there with them and them. So I think he's got to think about this fetish with gerbils in your butt. Come on.
Not me, brother. That's fucking number 7. That and licking windows.
Rose, start getting on up. Declawed and dethawed gerbils down here at the lowest truck stop. Declawed and dethawed with a free bottle of lube.
Only you.
That's right, man. I bet you this YouTube video gets 1 million views, man. And if not, Eminem needs to get on here. Somebody needs to tag Eminem like 1 million times. Let's make Eminem famous again on gerbils in the butt. Come on.
Oh, for sure. What are you doing? Recording this to put it on YouTube?
Yeah, man. So go ahead and wave a hand.
Damn it, man. You're going to have to tell me when you post it so I can watch it, right?
Why not post the one where you fucking fell asleep? You said you just woke up. That was a fucking good video already. It doesn't have like 5 or 6 likes on it. I'm getting paid. Come on, let's go.
Fuck you. They call me 990 and I don't give a fuck.
That's right, 990. We're getting paid on you sleeping. Come on.
Number 7 likes getting peed on, likes gerbils, and he likes fucking licking windows. And Eminem likes it all.
You guys are too rough on Eminem, man. You guys are too rough sometimes. We're going to tag President Trump in this video. Might have to tag President Trump in here so you can get on this gerbil fetish. Come on. Oh, boy. Sure did get quiet. Number 7 shut up real fast when he heard I was on record. Come on.
Dollywood. That's fucked up. But you want to know something? I'm going to start recording your fucking ass.
Please do, man. I want to hear how my radio sounds on the other side. I always got this guy on there named Fine Tune Radios. He's always wanting to know how my radio sounds on the other side. I'm just waiting on somebody to record the other side so they can tell me how my radio sounds. Come on.
Start running your mouth again and I'll record you.
All right, man, 10-4. Do I got to run it in a good way or a bad way? Because I'm just going to sit here and keep the channel rolling. Because I'm recording, you can record, and we can post this shit together. Because that's how we are. We're the 188s down here in the Buckeye. The 188s down here in the Buckeye getting her done. Break a. That's right. I didn't say make a noise toy recording of it. Come on now.
That's why they should call me Mr. Jigs. I should change it that all the time because you know how I make these toys.
That's right. I know all about it, man. I get all kinds of people all the time asking about noise toys. All the time, people. I bet you this video is going to bring up a lot of people asking me about toys, but all good, man. We know where to send it to, MrJigs.com, or did you change the website on it?
We took it down for a while. I'm going to put another one up. They can get a hold of me at Michael Loop on Facebook.
10-4, Michael, you said Michael Loop on Facebook?
Michael Loop, L-U-T-E.
10-4 and L-U-T-E. Michael Loop at Facebook.com. Y'all got that? I know y'all got that. They got declawed and dethawed gerbils down there at the Lowe's truck stop. Declawed and dethawed with a free bottle of lube. Right there next to Michael Loop. Y'all got that, right? Radio sounds good as hell, man. Not bad for an old school striker. 447 HPC2. Where you at exactly, man? How far away from you or from the airport? I'm about 4 miles north. How far are you away from the airport? 990?
About 15 miles.
That's a good trip, man. I got you in there about 9-10 pounds. I don't know where you're at on where I'm at on your meter, but yeah, always sounding bodacious, Mr. 990. Getting her done.
You're giving me about 7 pounds swinging hard, right? Sounds good. Oh, like always.
Good deal. Good deal. I was recording this though, man. I got a little video, man. I was rolling though. Rolling the night sky. 188 getting her done. I'm going to shut her down right now on the video side anyway. I'll still be sitting here sandbagging. Rock and roll. Y'all know where to go if y'all need some noise toys. Get us Michael Loop, L-U-T-E, on Facebook. Get her done. Also visit Roadstar, ROADSTAR188.com. We're getting her done. Gone.